Sir, we'll start straight away, and I would like to ask you what drew you to HR profession, and how did your early career experience shape up as a leader what you are today?
So I'll share a personal secret with you today. I was HR was never my profession actually when I started. My first job was into sales, interestingly.
Oh,
I was always interested to make a career in HR. So I didn't work much with them. Moved out very quickly, and when I was leaving them, I was actually called by the senior management and given this kind of assurance that I will have a good career in sales.
and from HR's perspective, what leadership qualities or skills are critical in today's evolving real estate industry? What,
Ricky,
according to you?
I know for one thing, there is no firm rule to run a real estate company. Because it's one industry which is highly dependent on external forces. You
Yeah.
can have the best of the culture, but the external environment is not supporting you. We have seen cases, where organizations have kind of suddenly, downsized. Their progress has not happened the way it was envisaged or
Bilkul.
conceptualized by the leadership.
So, where do organizations often fall short, when it comes to talent, culture, or capacity building? So, more or less, you answered it. Yeah.
डेट में क्या हो गया है कि कंपनीज आर रियल एस्टेट आर ऑलवेज इन डायर नीड ऑफ पीपल एंड समटाइम्स आई फील it's a false pretext. I don't know how many companies in real estate in NCR are actually looking at a productivity metrics.
Good morning, Namaskar. Welcome to Narray Power Voices, a platform where we spotlight influential leaders and people practices shaping the future of the real estate ecosystem. Today, we are delighted to have Mr. Anurag Juneja, Corporate HR Head at Central Park, and a valued member of the NAREP Advisory Council. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome. With his extensive experience in organizational leadership, culture building, and talent strategy, we look forward to gaining powerful people centric insights. And thank you for joining us on Narray Power Voices, sir.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
Wonderful. Sir, we'll start straight away, and I would like to ask you what drew you to HR profession, and how did your early career experience shape up as a leader what you are today?
So I'll share a personal secret with you today. I was HR was never my profession actually when I started. My first job was into sales, interestingly.
Oh,
So way
lovely.
back in 1996, I got selected through a newspaper ad, which was for management trainee sales.
Okay.
And while I was appearing for my exams, I was called and I was interviewed and I was offered as a management trainee sales in Ansels.
Acha.
That was 1996. And so I was one of the lucky few to get a job in Connaught Place in 1996. And I remember, I started working in the sales department, initially handling, some premium projects for them. But, I was always interested to make a career in HR. So I didn't work much with them, moved out very quickly. And when I was leaving them, I was actually called by the senior management and I was given this kind of assurance that I will have a good career in sales. So I don't realize, I said, okay, fine, let me move ahead. And then, I started working with a small setup, a family owned business for
Ji.
2 years. And
Ji.
from there, I realized that it's a very vast field.
Indeed.
It's a very vast field. So, you have to find your own way.
True, sir.
People think HR only as a recruitment department, and
Bilkul.
still some old timers feel that it's only a recruitment
Ji,
department,
ji.
but it's much beyond that. So my main, when I shifted out of Ansels and I took that, risk on myself, that let me now move out of sales and see how can I shape my career. So interestingly, not looking back since then, 30 years now,
Wonderful.
and 6 महीने छोड़ के बाकी सारा का सारा HR में
HR, lovely, sir. Wonderful. And was there a defining moment that significantly, influenced your leadership philosophy?
So that came, शुरू के maybe 2 years, 3 years, I was only, part of a team,
Ji.
only a doer. I was the little boy of a big team. So, when I moved to a larger organization in 1998, I was part of a corporate setup and, so learning a lot of things from people around me. I kind of was able to build that trust on the team that they would offload a lot of things on me.
Right.
So then, my journey of handling multiple tasks started. So I started moving to a lot of construction sites, supporting them, understanding their needs, And I remember when we were mobilizing a very big project, which was even bigger than the turnover of the company that time. So, handling so many people at one point of time, then meeting them, understanding their needs. And as the journey went ahead, I realized one thing, that empathy is something which is very important,
Very true, sir.
right? So, if you can't be on the other side and relate, what problems these people have, because salary तो process सब कर लेंगे,
बिल्कुल,
इंक्रीमेंट भी सब कर लेंगे,
बिल्कुल।
बट इंडिविजुअल की नीड को समझना उस टाइम पे, when people go through a lot of emotional challenges.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
And I was part of an organization which were executing projects in a lot of rural areas where connectivity was not there those
हुँ,
days. People will take 3 days to reach the sites. Then traveling to those places, living with them, staying with them, you were actually being a person who is their family and those needs. So वहाँ से I realized कि a major part of my profession should be empathizing with people,
कमेंडेबल,
connecting with them emotionally.
बिल्कुल।
And if I cannot replace their families, I cannot replace that connect they have with their families, but at least if I am able to do 50% of that, that would help them. So deafening moment आया बहुत बाद में, uh, when I again after 8 years shifted to another large company. We had a lot of people which were on roles,
हुँ,
including the blue collars,
हुँ,
and for some reason we were now demobilizing those sites. And then we had a lot of issues coming, and people not willing to take those kind of offers we were giving them in terms of outplacement. We
हुँ,
were actually outplacing our people. So then I realized, no, there cannot be a firm rule to help people. You have to have that much of flexibility in the system. So uske baad, the entire thing changed. I personally set new benchmarks for me, that even if my rule book says that I have to only offer this to a person who is being outplaced, but no, I will take that risk on myself.
ट्रू,
So वहाँ से हमने थोड़े रूल्स चेंज किए, और
वेरी
फिर
नाइस।
इंडस्ट्री में वो चेंजेस आगे बढ़े. और आज भी those practices are still prevalent, wherein certain I would say conditions force companies to actually outplace their people.
ट्रू सर, कमेंडेबल। And from HR's perspective, what leadership qualities or skills are critical in today's, evolving real estate industry? What,
देखिए,
according to you?
I know for one thing, there is no firm rule
Hmm.
to run a real estate company,
Hmm.
because it's one industry which is highly dependent on external forces.
Factors,
You
yeah.
can have the best of the culture, but if the external environment is not supporting you, you know we have seen cases, where organizations have kind of suddenly, downsized, their progress has not happened the way it was envisaged or
बिल्कुल,
conceptualized by the leadership.
true.
So, from an HR perspective, and I would say not from an HR perspective, but otherwise also from a
Generally,
business leader,
yes.
unless, as I am a very strong promoter, unless you have a connect with your people, and you may be sitting on a big chair handling a larger role, but till the time your team, your people cannot come to you and speak to you, you are not a leader. सिर्फ ये है कि जी नहीं आप, you this is your target, go and see, I'll come and meet you after 1 week, what all you have done I'll only see. No,
That's robotic.
that's robotic.
सर मैं भी अपनी मतलब अपनी यार टीम में हमेशा यही सोचती हूँ कि हम ऑफिस आते हैं घर तो हम सिर्फ सोने ही जाते हैं सर मैक्सिमम आवर्स प्रोडक्टिव आवर्स वी आर स्पेंडिंग इन एट वर्क प्लेस
हम्म. नहीं,
सो
देखिए, पता है
दैट
क्यों ये ऐसा हुआ, व्हाई पीपल हैव बिकम लाइक दिस. मैं तो एक चीज जानता हूँ, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस रन द वे द लीडरशिप वांट्स इट टू बी रन.
यस वेरी ट्रू
देयर इज कोई नेचुरल फिनोमिना तो है नहीं, कोई सीख के तो आता नहीं है. जैसे लीडरशिप को ट्रेन किया जाता है, कि आप ऐसे बिहेव करो, वो लीडरशिप वैसे ही बिहेव करती है.
बिल्कुल
बट स्टिल यू कैन हैव योर ओन रूल्स, एज आई सेड. आप अपने रूल्स खुद बना सकते हो, क्योंकि देखिए क्या है, रियल एस्टेट एक ऐसी ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पे लीकेजेस का बहुत चांस है. So why organizations have become so hard focused on targets, because one, as I said, external. Second, there are big stakes. Third, you are governed by laws. You have commitment, customer. And
Absolutely.
unless your deliveries are aligned to customer needs, वो जब तक तैयार होएगा, डिलीवर होएगा, कस्टमर की नीड चेंज हो चुकी होगी. सो टारगेट ओरिएंटेड तो रखना जरूरी है, बट विद इन दैट स्पैन ऑफ टारगेट ओरिएंटेशन क्या आप कनेक्ट डेवलप कर सकते हो? क्या आज आपकी टीम में लोग आके आपको बोल सकते हैं कि सर मुझे 3 घंटे की छुट्टी चाहिए, और आप उस पर चिल्लाओगे नहीं और उसको बोलोगे नहीं, तीन नहीं यार, तो 3 दिन की ले ले? कैन यू डेवलप दैट काइंड ऑफ एन इकोसिस्टम विद इन
बिल्कुल।
योर सेल्फ? सो मैंने देखा है, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड लार्जली इज एवरीबडी फील्स कि अगर मेरी टीम ने टारगेट अचीव नहीं किया तो मेरा भी अचीव नहीं होगा, तो मैं भी आंसरेबल हो जाऊंगा. ऐसे नहीं होता. यू हैव टू डेवलप दोज काइंड ऑफ टीम्स विच आर मल्टी टैलेंटेड.
ट्रू सर।
देयर शुड बी बैकअप प्लान्स विद इन द टीम. तो वो कनेक्ट नहीं है इंडस्ट्री में. बहुत वीक है. बहुत
दैट्स
वीक
ट्रू।
है. somebody has to play that role.
True. And as the real estate transforms, which workforce or people trends do you see having the greatest, long-term impact on the organization and people both?
देखिए, रियल एस्टेट इज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फेज इन इंडिया.
Hmm.
वाइल देयर आर मल्टीपल कंपनीज कमिंग इन. Corporatization तो नहीं हो रहा. Not everybody can have a
Mm.
corporate setup.
Mm.
So
Mm.
there are players which are, and everybody needs good people.
Yes.
So what I feel today is, and I have realized that, multi-skilling is one thing which is very important. I was reading an article that day. There is a very, very important field in real estate is mechanical, electrical, and plumbing department. MEP department. Or plumbing is public health engineering also. So I was
Ye-
trying. Somebody was actually questioning that why in the world, why in India actually M, E, and P have been combined into one department. Why can't these three be separate? They are interdependency. So multi-skilling ki pe agar focus nahi hai, you will only have people working on their core areas. But if they do not have a larger picture, if they do not know what the business actually is doing for them, तो वो गैप बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. तो इसलिए क्या हो रहा है कि देर इज़ अ ह्यूज, आई वुड से, challenge in the industry today in terms of compensations. People those who are at the higher bracket are continuing on the higher bracket.
Hmm.
People those on the lower bracket are not able to reach a mid bracket even if they have spent 20 years or 25 years.
True.
And it is only related to skill. Working in real estate for 20 years does not qualify a person to be, in the higher bracket of compensation, unless they add to their skills, unless they do much more than what is expected of them. So that gap is, I'm saying it's a very serious issue. I really don't know if people are actually thinking about it. In I foresee that in next 3 4 years, they may not be relevant to your question, but it's important to
It
tell
is,
here.
it is. No, no,
You know,
that's fine, sir.
maybe in next 2 3 years, when the markets, are not that profitable, your higher end of bracket will actually become unaffordable.
Hmm.
And there will be enough people in that bracket जिसमें कम से कम 15 साल का काम और बचा हुआ होगा. People at 45, late, early 50s or late 40s, when they have reached the higher bracket and they become, when the market is not that great, they will actually become unaffordable. What is going to happen then? So, if you continue to be, working on your skills, your value will still be there. So, what I'm trying to say here is that irrespective the value a person is getting today in the market, if he's not skilled,
Hmm.
and it is not multi-skilled maybe,
Multi-skilled.
you know
Other than his
he
usual
may not he
forte
may not
and
get.
specialization. True, true, true. Very true. You've actually answered my next question, so I'm skipping that question.
So you can still ask, maybe you get a different answer
It's
for it.
okay. So, where do organizations often fall short, when it comes to talent, culture, or capacity building? So, more or
देखिए,
less, you answered. Yeah.
आज के डेट में क्या हो गया है कि कंपनीज आर रियल एस्टेट, आर always in dire need of people, and sometimes I feel it's a false pretext.
Hmm.
I don't know how many companies in real estate in NCR are actually looking at a productivity metrics.
True.
It is just that कि मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर के पास ये लोग हैं तो मुझे भी यही चाहिए. It should not become like this.
True, sir.
I have to set my own standards for my own organization, and not everybody in the market, which is, as I said, is high performing, is actually commanding a value. और vis-a-vis,
राइट, यस,
So
ट्रू,
एक गैप जो बहुत बड़ा मैं देख रहा हूँ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के अंदर जो अब आएगा, वो यू नो रियलिस्टिक नॉर्म्स ऑफ हायरिंग, productivity based.
ट्रू,
It is just that somebody sitting in one room says, no, I need 20 people for this. Nobody is actually questioning because compensation salary costs are very minimal in real estate if you see the overall numbers. So nobody is actually questioning, time pressed है, target है, ठीक है यार, 20 दे दो, 25 दे दो, 30 दे दो, जो मांग रहे हैं दे दो, बाद में देखेंगे क्या होगा। नहीं, where are the plans? I don't know how many companies are actually looking at the plans, actually looking at the progression, actually looking at creating that talent pipeline. आज आपकी नीड किसी और फंक्शन की है, कल किसी और फंक्शन की है। So a scientific method is actually required
हम्म,
when you do your mapping. So
ट्रू,
productivity norms missing है, productivity norms labor force में भी missing है। If real estate is a labor intensive industry.
एब्सोल्युटली,
टेक्नोलॉजी तो चाहिए चाहिए, बट लेबर
बिल्कुल,
बहुत चाहिए आपको। बट
बिल्कुल,
लेबर को जब तक आप लेबर के प्रोडक्टिविटी नॉर्म्स डेवलप नहीं कर रहे, यू आर बिकॉज when you are reviewing, you're only asking how many labor was there at the site,
हम्म,
2000, and you're happy. बट वो 2000 में से प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या थी,
प्रोडक्टिविटी, बिल्कुल,
कितने स्किल्ड थे, सेमी स्किल्ड थे, अनस्किल्ड थे, और उसके बाद आपकी प्रोग्रेस कितनी हुई। सो देयर हैज टू बी सम वे। दैट इज व्हाई आई फील मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज आर आल्सो, अगेन आई एम digressing from the topic, most of the companies are also now moving towards technology in productivity. Then there are a lot of new concept of PMOs, PMCs coming in because they actually use technology.
बिल्कुल,
सो डिफरेंशिएटर तो क्रिएट होगा। ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस रियल एस्टेट में वही सर्वाइव कर पाएंगी जो एग्जीक्यूशन मेथडोलॉजीज में डिफरेंशिएटर क्रिएट कर पाएंगी।
वेरी ट्रू सर,
सो वो डिफरेंशिएटर क्रिएट करने के लिए अगेन स्किल की जरूरत है। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज एवरीथिंग इज एक्चुअली कमिंग डाउन टू द स्किल,
स्किल,
द काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू एक्चुअली प्लान टू हायर।
ट्रू। सर कभी ऐसा हुआ हो कि व्हाइल यू आर मैनेजिंग पीपल एक चैलेंज आता है एंड फॉर यू समवन लाइक यू आई एम श्योर यू हैव बीन मैनेजिंग चैलेंजेस ओनली पीपल वाइज ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल वाइज। तो कभी ऐसा हुआ हो कि आप जब वो मैनेज कर रहे हो चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन और मैनेजिंग पीपल एंड दैट लेड टू अ लर्निंग, आई एम श्योर
सो
ऐसा।
जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, व्हेन वी वर demobilizing a very large site,
जी,
not only demobilizing but actually we were changing our execution methodology in one
हाँ
organization
जी,
back.
हाँ जी,
So we had around 3,500 people across India, and so obviously everybody is governed by the terms of appointment, the
जी,
employer also and the employee
जी,
also.
जी,
So when I was traveling across India, meeting these people, and they were also, for example, in southern part of India,
हम्म,
southern part of India, you know, it is very difficult. One, because of the language barrier. Second, you know, within our country the cultures are different. We know that,
एब्सोल्युटली,
वहाँ साउथ में culture different
जी,
है.
जी,
So there was a specific need, you know, that we need this much compensation. Although we were committing an employment that we will put you on roles of a different organization.
हम्म,
So there, they had a separate need. No, we would need this much of money. We would need these much months of compensation, and we were governed by the same. So sometimes you have to get into an argument. If you leave us, we'll also give you this, and if I am asking you to go, then I'll also give you
हम्म,
this. So they realize that yes, there is the organization is doing it only because in their betterment, because they're also arranging an alternate employment for them.
बिल्कुल,
But still they started negotiating, and unsurprisingly, it was people from our own teams which were you know हमारे सामने बैठ के हमसे negotiate कर रहे थे। तो फिर वही, we got into a dialogue, we got into a huddle, and then the organization was also, I would say, the leadership was also very had a different opinion here, that we are not doing it to harm anyone. So the overall organization needs should be protected, and it should not look like कि we were being selfish. तो वहाँ से हमने फिर वही जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, रूल्स बुक्स चेंज करी.
जी,
We devised some mechanisms, so that, and then we were not being partial to any other.
एनी,
We were same for everyone. Even if somebody was not asking for it, we were offering it. Sometimes it works like smaller things. Medical आप provide कर दो
बिल्कुल,
for a person who is being outplaced for a period of 6 additional months. So some kind of norms you have to create. ये तो होगा इंडस्ट्री के अप्स एंड डाउन्स के हिसाब से, ये चीज़ें भी होती हैं. So again, my first point, unless you understand the need of the
Need.
person
You
who is sitting,
empathize. True, sir. Everything I think revolves around
uh,
that.
people's need, unless you understand, unless you relate to them, unless you build your ecosystem as per their needs, then you are just a, as you said, robotic. वो वैसे ही
बिल्कुल,
चलोगे फिर आप.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। Sir, as a female now, we also see things have evolved. हम थोड़ा वेस्टर्न कल्चर देखते हैं, पहले सिर्फ मूवीज या जो सीरीज आती है वहीं तक सीमित था। आप देखते थे, a pregnant lady, maybe like 8 months pregnant lady is going, fighting cases in the court,
Yeah,
carrying the baby together. But it's happening here also in India
yes.
because the organizations are more, employee friendly.
But
And
आपको एक चीज you will also agree, I don't know if there is, I know for sure there is a number, maybe leaving aside few organizations, there is still, you know gender inequality in real
हाँ
estate.
सर, बिल्कुल।
आप कितने परसेंटेज, I don't know, I know for sure it's not more than 10%.
It is सर
Maybe,
मेरी
some organizations I know for sure that they have identified certain
percentage
positions, no, positions which
positions
will only go to,
yes,
gender,
yes, yes,
not being gender specific.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
still,
Long way,
acceptability
long
is
way to
long
go,
way.
long way to
Long
go.
way.
True,
So how are
true,
you
true.
going to help the industries? Must work on some, collectively.
Norms,
I
corrective
think
norms.
through our forum, actually, if we can actually, help people or to bridge that gap. I know for sure there are females, those who are capable, those who are female, those who are educated, but just that, the industry is not creating that much of value for them. So that fear is still there कि construction में काम करना पड़ेगा, कैसे होगा, and that fear is from the both side.
Both sides, I agree.
So
True.
gender equality, I don't know, it's a bigger problem. Debatable है, but
Debatable है सर, मेरी तो
कभी ना
PhD की थीसिस ही इस पे थी.
क्या
My
निकला,
thesis was
क्या निकल गया.
सर it was back in 2013. अब तो हम आज we are sitting here almost 2025 is ending. यही था सर. They are
नहीं, बट
underpaid.
रीजन क्या है, मतलब इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में व्हाई
सर
इट
उस
इज.
टाइम पे जो रिसर्च की थी उसमें तो रीज़न यही था दैट लाइक यू सेड इट्स बोथ वेज बट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑफ कोर्स इवन द एम्प्लॉयर्स वर नॉट in favor
विलिंग.
of paying them more, giving them that flexibility to work. Abhi hybrid, work from home, so many options are there.
बट एक चीज है, मतलब देर आर ऑब्वियसली नाउ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वेयर फीमेल्स आर एक्चुअली हेडिंग द
Headache,
कंपनीज.
yes.
क्या वहाँ जेंडर रेशो चेंज हुआ?
मुझे नहीं लगता सर. मुझे नहीं लगता इशू नहीं चेंज हो सकता इट्स अगेन अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जस्ट द नॉर्म्स आई थिंक इट्स द माइंडसेट ऑल्सो दैट नीड्स टू चेंज both ways है ना
आई थिंक it's a very very difficult situation here. And ठीक है, certain industries, yes, but
Hmm.
larger workforce basis पे अगर आप देखो, again we are only talking about white collars. If you see blue collars, again, have you seen a female mason? How many? So, helpers, yes, you may see. So I really don't know how it is going to फ्यूचर में कैसे चेंज होएगा, कैसे ये रेशो बढ़ेगा.
Hmm.
ये थोड़े से प्रॉब्लम एरियाज भी हैं.
Yes, sir. है. Mm, AI, it's I would say something which is overruling a lot of industries. So from HR perspective again, technology,
बहुत पीछे हैं अभी हम.
AI.
अभी एआई की तो बात मैं छोड़ूं, मैं टेक्नोलॉजी की बात अगर करूं अभी.
जी.
सो बेसिक फंक्शंस लाइक पेरोल, एचआर मास्टर्स, इसमें तो प्लग एंड प्ले बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आप, यू आर विच आर अवेलेबल टू यू,
Hmm.
at a very nominal cost.
Hmm.
And I know for sure with lot of real estate companies or otherwise also, those who have good technological departments, they are developing in-house, solutions for them,
Yes.
applications for them to
Yes.
their own need. But as I said, they are all standards. you know but आप उसको यूज कितना करते हो?
Hmm.
Technology, one has to help you in decision making. It has to suit your requirement.
Hmm.
Plug and play systems are only, for standard reports. But how much are these reports actually helping you to take decisions? आज मैं सिर्फ ये एक डिपार्टमेंट की लिस्ट देखने के लिए कि जी मेरे को ये बता दो प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट में कितने लोग हैं,
Hmm.
लिस्ट निकाल के देख ली, बट उसमें डीपली एनालिसिस. फॉर एग्जांपल, लॉन्ग बैक, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद अ large construction company in 98, those days, that organization, it was a core engineering company, construction, and we had something called skill mapping. We when we were actually, shortlisting people, or making them join, as a part of the joining process, we had one sheet of capturing the skills of individuals.
Hmm.
So why these skills were required to be captured? Tomorrow, if a company is bidding for a project which is not their core area, they still know how many people they can rely on within the
Within the
organization.
organization,
सो
yeah.
टेक्नोलॉजी आज की डेट में प्लग एंड प्ले तो है, बट आप यूज़ कितना कर रहे हो? उन दिनों तो मैनुअल था। अब आप टेक्नोलॉजी में आप क्यों नहीं, आप कर सकते हो यूज़। यू कैन डू अ काइंड ऑफ, इफ यू कैन डू योर अप्रेजल सिस्टम्स ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज आर डूइंग इट,
Many are, yeah.
मैनी आर डूइंग इट, बट अगेन इज इट ओनली इवेल्युएटिंग अ पर्सन्स पास्ट डिलीवरी वर्सेस द गोल्स? डिसीजन मेकिंग कहाँ हो रही है टेक्नोलॉजी में?
Hmm.
So what I feel is that there is again a very strong need for leaders, not only HR leaders, to adopt technology for decision making.
Hmm.
Ultimately देखिए क्या हो रहा है, टाइम सबके पास, everybody has 24 hours, nobody has more than 23.5 और 24.2.
Hmm.
अब टेक्नोलॉजी आपको ये हेल्प कर सकती है कि आप अगर 12 घंटे काम कर रहे हो तो कुछ डिसीजंस आप क्विकली ले सकते हो,
बिल्कुल सर।
एंड जो टाइम आपके पास बचा देन यू कैन use that time for some other strategic work.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
So I think we are very, very primitive in use of technology in HR also. In HR also, I'm
ऑल्सो,
saying.
yeah,
अगर overall तो है ही है,
बिल्कुल।
तो करना तो पड़ेगा. But I hope the generation after us, which is slowly, or not slowly, but very fast, capturing the leadership positions, will definitely move from,
And they
some
will
kind of
become
being.
heavily dependent on AI and technology. True, sir.
नहीं, but AI तो देखो आप अभी तो इवॉल्व होएगा.
Again, long way to go
और
in
दूसरा
years.
क्या है ना कि मैंने ये भी देखा है, आई डोंट नो हाउ मच यू विल एग्री, फॉर एग्जांपल ऑन योर स्मार्टफोन यू हैव लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स,
We don't
बट
use,
यू डोंट यूज.
हम WhatsApp
आपकी
और
गाड़ी
phone
में बहुत
तक ही,
सारी चीज़ें होंगी
yes,
बट आप
true,
यूज़ नहीं करते.
नहीं
ऐसे ही
करते।
टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेटफॉर्म्स में आपके पास बहुत कुछ है, बट एक टेक्नोलॉजी होना और एक उसको यूज़
यूज़
करना,
करना,
यूज़ भी करना ऑप्टिमम,
बिल्कुल।
वो बहुत बड़ा गैप है.
सर लाइक नाउ यू वुड से दैट ओ सिंस यू आर अ ट्रेनिंग पर्सन, बट आई अगेन से इसमें भी हम इसलिए लैग करते हैं क्योंकि सर मैनुअल कितना हमें ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं मिलती उस मैनुअल पे कभी। वो मैनुअल गाड़ी के डैशबॉक्स में ही पड़ा रहता है।
नहीं,
कभी
ट्रेनिंग तो
हम,
आप जब डिलीवरी लेते हो तो आपको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, बट वो क्या ट्रेनिंग, वो जो दे रहा है ट्रेनिंग वो सिर्फ अपना काम कर रहा है.
हाँ, वो एक
उसने
चेक
सिर्फ एक अपने
चेक
चेक
लिस्ट
एक
चेक बॉक्स
बॉक्स
टिक
टिक
कर दिया
करना है,
है।
बट
यस,
आप उस
यस,
आपने यूज़ किया, और हाउ मेनी पीपल गो बैक टू आस्क
टू आस्क,
कि ये नहीं,
बिल्कुल,
इसमें
बिल्कुल।
ये भी था, नहीं जाते ना,
नहीं
लोग तो भूल
जाते,
जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
दे
इन
गेट
दैट,
इन्वॉल्व इन योर
हाँ,
डेली एक्टिविटीज, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर.
नहीं पता होता सर गाड़ी के फीचर्स, नहीं गाड़ी के फीचर्स, फ़ोन के
यस,
फीचर्स
बिल्कुल.
नहीं
तो
पता होते।
टेक्नोलॉजी है. So you have access, lot of the organizations do offer a lot of technological solutions to their employees, but actually how many of them actually want to use it?
सर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैव टू पुश देम दैट ये वाली एक हमने छोटा-सा एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन रखा है, इसको कर लो, एंड दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स फॉर देयर ओन ग्रोथ। इट्स नॉट दैट द कंपनी इज़ डूइंग अगेन एज़ अ चेक बॉक्स एक्टिविटी, बट इट्स फॉर देयर ओन अपस्किलिंग।
करना तो पड़ेगा,
करना,
करना तो
दे
पड़ेगा. I
हैव
think they will have to move.
टू। Sir, as a part of NAREP community or a council, what excites you the most, about contributing through
Yeah,
an HR lens?
देखिए, this kind of a forum was desperately needed in the industry.
Hmm.
So I must congratulate all of you first to
Thank you, sir.
taking this initiative, because it takes a lot of courage actually to spend time on this initiative, actually, and getting people, like-minded people together.
True, sir.
So I feel, as I said, and I personally, you will also agree because you have been part of this industry, there is a lot to be done. And सबके पास, I personally believe everybody has knowledge.
Yes,
How you
everyone.
how you channelize that knowledge to your use is important. If you have a kind of a repository of, or अगर आप knowledge की list भी बनाओगे, फिर भी that can run into multiple pages, फिर भी complete नहीं होएगा.
नहीं होगी।
So for institutions like this, or maybe groups like these, we must actually learn from people's experiences.
Hmm.
And if we can start doing some kind of knowledge transfer to the generation which is just after us, they are
Yes,
very different.
yes.
Now we have reached that generation जिसमें हमारे से एक के बाद दूसरी जनरेशन भी रेडी है.
Hmm.
So knowledge transfer has to happen.
Hmm.
वो मिसिंग है बहुत पार्ट. So with this institution, maybe we can start something as a knowledge bank, wherein everybody deposits some kind of knowledge, and it has access to all the members. so that if they want to learn anything, if you want to see and learn from my experience, they can actually log in to some account, see what kind of information is there, and whether that past experiences can be utilized currently or not.
Excellent.
So I think this is important,
Hmm.
creating a knowledge base.
True, sir. And again, we can utilize technology
Yes,
in doing
exactly,
that.
exactly.
That you just click and you find something on that a manual.
Sorry, I'm giving you examples of my past. Long back, I had one mentor when I used to travel to sites. He would always tell me that the day you join office, you have to create a report of your visit, and that report must be shared with all your colleagues because you are the only person going. If they are also traveling, they will have different experiences traveling to a same place. But since your core responsibility is to travel, what all you have learned from that trip must be shared with everyone. कि आप
Absolutely.
किससे मिले, क्या आपने सीखा, तो experiences हैं, and how you
बिल्कुल.
deal, to different situations. आप हम लोग कहीं नोट थोड़ी करते हैं. आपने जैसे पूछा कि situations कैसे आई, defining moments कैसे आए. How many of us actually note it down? No.
We don't.
But if we have something where we can actually, you know, note or create a bank, as I said, a knowledge bank, तो जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स टीम में होता है,
Hmm.
क्रिटिकल इंसिडेंट्स मॉनिटर होते हैं,
Hmm.
सेफ्टी में क्रिटिकल
Hmm.
इंसिडेंट होते हैं,
Hmm.
बाद में लोगों को हेल्प ही होती है. सो आई थिंक थॉट है, बट वी कैन बिल्ड ऑन इट.
We can.
वी कैन बिल्ड ऑन इट.
So now we'll add a little surprise and fun moment. So
Yeah, sure.
we'll wrap it
I'm
up.
ready.
We'll wrap it up with a quick rapid fire for you. Huh? That's Narep's signature rapid fire. So very quickly, no thinking time.
Okay.
One word to describe today's workforce.
Impulsive.
Great. Culture or compensation? What truly retains talent?
हाँ, both.
Both. I knew that's
बट
coming.
हाँ, मतलब अल्टीमेटली आज के वर्ल्ड में कॉम्पनसेशन.
Compensation.
कल्चर तो लोग कहते हैं छोड़ो बाद में देख लेंगे. नॉट राइट, बट ठीक है.
I know, true. One leadership skill HR must champion today.
एम्पैथी, एज आई सेड.
Empathy, lovely. Learning agility or experience, what matters more now?
लर्निंग एबिलिटी. मैं तो आपको स्किल एनहांसमेंट की बात कर रहा था, तो मैं एक्सपीरियंस कहूँगा. तो पर्सन विद लेसर एक्सपीरियंस कैन ऑल्सो
True,
with a learning
true,
agility.
true, true. Hybrid work, advantage or a challenge?
Challenge in our industry.
It is, it is.
It is a challenge.
In our industry, yes. Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it actually it has become a matter of right.
हाँ,
अगर आप पॉलिसी है
हाँ,
तो भाई मेरे को तो दो आप.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे नहीं.
True.
थोड़ा मतलब we have to rethink about these things. I'm not saying I'm not against it, but ultimately it has to be
Yeah,
suiting
yeah,
the
yeah.
organization need.
Yes. One habit every leader should consciously build.
Listen, सुनो.
बहुत जरूरी है.
अगर नहीं कर सकते तो मत करो, बट सुनो
हाँ,
जरूर.
सुनो. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. The legacy you hope to leave as an HR leader.
So again, legacy तो नहीं, मैं मतलब I'm not that great who can leave a
No,
legacy.
no, sir, you're a
So
veteran.
still, a lot of my colleagues are there. So I think HR needs to move beyond their rooms,
Hmm.
being at people places, in multidisciplinary functions, in multidisciplinary organization, or where a larger footprint is there. And as I said, Indian is a vast culture. So how many people actually would like to move out of their rooms and connect to people sitting at their workplace?
True, true.
So, I think that is, I personally feel, and I have been practicing it. कमरे में बैठ के तो काम सब कर लेते हैं, बाहर निकल के भी करना है. So that is,
That is evident, sir, in your energy. That I have seen you.
I
That's
personally feel,
evident.
if you don't move out, no, होगा नहीं.
नहीं सर, कमरे में बैठ के नहीं हो सकता. No,
हाँ,
no.
तो लोग
True.
आपको, मतलब ये है कि आप, if you are processing salaries on time, if you are able to recruit on time, that is okay. That is why my job.
That's basic.
But
Huh.
if people have don't trust on me, if they can't share their things with me, then I don't think I am the right person.
Hmm. Thank you. So thank you for sharing your
Thank you
journey,
so much.
giving your valuable time to us, sir. It has been a complete pleasure and honor to have you with us
Pleasure.
at the Narrate platform.
Pleasure.
And I'm sure the leadership which you have been carrying forward will empower generations to come. Thank you
Thank
again,
you.
and dil
Thank
se
you so
shukriya.
much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.